Ever since ancient times, people thought every length, every measurement, and every number could be written with integers and neat little fractions. But then comes a reveal, the diagonal of a unit square, quietly breaking that belief. Take a square of side 1. What is the length of its diagonal? Pythagoras tells us diagonal square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square. And so diagonal equals square root of 2. It is clearly between 1 and 2, but not an integer. But is it a clean fraction? Or is it hiding something deeper? You can draw the square perfectly, you can measure the diagonal perfectly, but accuracy of measurement is limited by precision of rulers. To crack this mystery, we switch from rulers to pure logic. And logic reveals something wild. Square root of 2 is not rational at all. Before moving further, a quick refresher. Even numbers are multiples of 2 and odd numbers can be written as multiple of 2 plus 1. And here is the key. Even number when squared stays even and odd number when squared stays odd. These look like small details, but they are going to do all the work for us going forward. Though we don't know, but suppose for the time being, square root of 2 is rational. Then we can write it as a over b for some a over b in lowest terms. That is, they don't have any factors in common. If they had any, they have been cancelled out. Now squaring both sides and cross multiplying, we get a square is equal to 2b square. And now the trap begins. A square equals 2 times in integer means a square is even, and therefore a must also be even. So we can write a as 2 times some integer c. And plugging new value back in, we get, and dividing by 2, 2c square is equal to b square. From this we can simply conclude that b square is even also, and if b square is even, b is even too. Oh, both a and b are even. But if a and b are both even, they share a common factor 2. But we assumed a over b was already in the lowest form. That's a contradiction. Contradiction means two things that cannot be true simultaneously. Number 1, they had no factors in common, and number 2, they are both even and share a factor of 2. The logic looped back on itself, and the assumption that square root of 2 is rational collapses. So what is the conclusion? A square root of 2 cannot be written as any ratio of integers. It is an irrational number, a truth discovered not by measuring the length, but by pure reasoning inside our mind. Math lets us uncover hidden truths with nothing but thought. So stay curious, there is beauty everywhere in numbers. If you like the presentation, please like the video and subscribe the channel and stay connected. Thanks for watching.